Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash on your Mac. Since the game isn't natively supported on Mac OS, we'll explore the most effective way to get it running. This involves using a special software that creates a Windows-like environment on your computer, allowing you to enjoy the full game experience without needing a separate Windows machine. It's a straightforward process that opens up many possibilities for Mac users. To begin, you'll need to choose your compatibility software. Crossover is an excellent option, specifically designed to run Windows applications on Mac without installing a full operating system. Alternatively, Parallels Desktop provides a complete virtual Windows environment, which is great if you need more than just one game. For Geometry Dash, Crossover usually offers a more streamlined and efficient setup, saving you time and system resources. Once you have Crossover installed, the next step is to set up Geometry Dash. First, open Crossover and create a new bottle, which is like a virtual Windows environment for your applications. Then, install Steam directly into this new bottle. After Steam is successfully installed, you can purchase and download Geometry Dash through Steam, just as you would on a Windows computer. It's a simple process that mirrors the native Windows experience. To ensure the best experience, you might want to optimize your game settings. Within Geometry Dash, try adjusting the graphics options to find a balance between visual quality and smooth performance. Also, make sure your Mac has at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor for optimal gameplay. With everything set up, you're ready to dive into the challenging and exciting world of Geometry Dash on your Mac. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.